happy adapter welding video of 5-inch melt-blown filter. It is just one case of one of European customers. The machine is with fully closed and thickened frame. The automatic safe door is standard. With CE standards. It is welding end caps at first end. 2 pieces of filters are welded in each circle. Right now, it is welding caps, the second end of 5-inch melt-blown filters. It is one popular machine model for melt-blown filter end cap welding, which has been approved in America, Europe, and Asia markets. For more information, please visit the End Cap Welding machine manufacturer's website www.indrofiltermachine.com.